the type to say that it's your yeah.
What's good? What's coolin'? Little vlog today. Actually going on a double date with Manny and his girl. Obviously my girl. We're gonna go to the Versace mansion. So I've never been there. I don't know if the food's fire, so I'll show you guys. Hopefully it's fire. I feel like it's fire, but I don't know if it's fire. So we'll see that and let's see what's up. I hope it's fire because I'm pretty hungry and you know. Now I gotta speed or some shit because that's in literally Miami Beach, which is literally like 25 minutes from like where my girlfriend lives. So, and it's at 6:30 and it's 5:50, so we're good, but I'm like 10 minutes away from my girl's house. So I mean, we'll see if we make it on time, but it's looking a little complicated right now. Hopefully Manny pulls up before, that way like it's all good, but let's see. Traffic is so annoying, but she just told me that she's going to pay for the food tonight, so she's coming through. Right?
No.
Why?
You're paying.
So you're gonna finesse me?
Yep.
I thought you were gonna give me an early birthday present.
My birthday's before yours.
But still. Bro, I can't hardly talk being sick, but I really hope the food's fire, right?
I look little.
Because you are little. Otherwise, I'm gonna be extremely disappointed.
I think it will be good.
I've heard it's not that good.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well, I've never heard.
It's the Versace mansion. Like, how is it not good?
I've never heard.
Like,
So.
you guys could easily hire, you know, some fire chefs because we'll see how it plays out. But whatever. See you.
I don't need to talk down on none of you. I'ma holla at your bitch right in front of you. Oh, you thought you caught up, but I leveled up. Now I'm too far, yeah, that's true enough. You the type to say that it's your yeah.
So we found some pretty decent parking because Manny ended up paying 30 bucks, and one thing I hate is paying a lot of money for parking because that's money that you're never gonna get back and it's literally like wasted. So I found parking for $4 an hour, which is still pretty expensive, but I spent 10 bucks, he spent 30. So that was a good search right there. So we're walking into the Versace mansion right now, and I'll show you guys when we're in there how it looks and everything. So see you there.
I'm gonna be in here, okay?
Alright, thank you.
I feel awkward.
Versace mansion. Vibes.
I feel awkward now because they said
Hey, look at the boy. This man looking like he came straight out of Narcos. What's your name? Boy. The boy. It's fancy as hell. Look at this shit.
Look at them.
Classy.
I don't know what I'm gonna eat. What are you gonna eat?
You know we're about to eat some caviar.
This one.
It's only 305 bucks, so. Nah, but I think I'm gonna get that one, filet mignon. Very classy bathroom. Classy. So let's go in here. Well, that's a shower. What the lit. So the place is looking really dope so far. I mean, everything's like, this was a house before, you know, the Versace, where the guy that created Versace lived. So it's pretty dope. I mean, let's go see how the food is.
Yes, please.
Thank you. Quick filet mignon. Fire. So we got a filet mignon on the deck. We're gonna hope it's fire. It's not as much as I thought it'd be, but it looks pretty fire. So it's fire. So. Yeah. She's saying that's really good. So we're about to dive into it. Let's get it.
Yeah,
This is looking really good. So I mean, we're gonna take the first bite. We're gonna see if it's good.
Yeah, I know.
It's fire.
Look how cute.
So that's liver. mashed potatoes, filet mignon, garlic, and some fire sauce. And this is fire. I just wish there was more food though, cause she got finesse for real though. Quick little diary. Interesting art. You guys see the Versace shits. You see, it's pretty dope overall. Yo, that pool looks fire. Wanna go swim in it? Whole mansion. So we're in the pool right now. The boy man is getting a little photo shoot. You know, his girl is being the photographer. Got my girl out here checking out the pictures. And yo, that pool, how bad do you want to jump in that pool?
Really bad.
That pool looks so good. It looks so refreshing. We got the mansion and everything. The shit's nice. I mean, the food is pretty fire. I could have expected a little better, but it was still pretty fire, right? Yo, her dish was super small.
I know.
Whatever. We out here, so trying to get a good picture for the gram. So I'll see if I get one. So we just got out. What do you think about the food? I mean, I feel like for the price, it could have been slightly better.
That's how those restaurants are.
Nah, but like the quality of the food, I don't know.
It was good.
I feel like, I mean, the steak was a little salty.
Yeah.
And I don't know, I was just expecting something that was gonna blow my mind. Like, there was another restaurant that wasn't even that expensive, the one that we went to, and they had a burger. Yo, when I bit that,
Oh, yeah.
I was shook. So, but yeah, it was fine. It was good. It was good regardless. But could have been better. I got you feeling like a dolphin. We could take a fucking ride to the other side. Good girl, gone.
Need hands for the whole team. Old team, ask me about that old thing. No time. I ain't got no time. I ain't got no time. Fighting for all of that, I wanna ride.
Ask your girl, she'll tell you that I'm back in that pussy like I never left. I'ma take all your money till ain't none left. I ain't never took a L and I never will.